Greetings, ladies and gents. This is Ilzy from HeathenScent. Welcome to my channel. I think before we get started, I wanted to just thank all my subscribers. I hope you've been liking my content so far. Obviously, there's going to be much more like this and other things, you know what I mean. And to people watching this that are not subscribed at the moment, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot of fragrance reviews coming, you know, vlogs, unboxings, first impressions, you name it. Keep watching. I hope you like what I've got for you, and let's go on with the video. So with this one, I have got a first impression and unboxing, and it's also a blind buy. So I have not actually smelt this before. This one is actually quite interesting to me. I saw like other bottles, you know, at the store. I got this at City Perfume over in Wetherill Park. Anyway, I thought, you know, this is a niche brand, so I thought try something a little bit different. So what I've got for you right over here is Juliette has a gun vanilla vibes. You know, pretty plain white and black box, you know, names on the side, you know, got a sleeve on it. I still got the wrapping on this thing. I've never smelled this, nothing. So let's go unwrapping. And bam. Sorry. I love it. Never good with these unboxings, but you know what? Hey, why not? Okay, throw this somewhere over here. Okay, cool. So we've got this nice little sleeve, and sort of like got this you know, closed cell foam sort of thing. Actually quite nice and soft. It's got like this. It's like matte black. It's almost like a sort of like a soft touch feel to it, and it's got like the Juliette has a gun, you know, logo right there. I don't know if you can really see that. It's pretty dark, but anyway, we'll go from there. Okay, this time, like not like the last time, I'm gonna make sure that I'm actually, you know, almost then drop it. But oh, okay, kind of, you know, folds out nicely, and wow, look at that. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, that's, wow, that's really cool. That bottle, wow, it's got like that real sort of like, almost like a sunset look, you know, and it sort of goes from like that orange to like the blue. Like, I love that gradient look, and like, you know, the nice silver, you know, chromey sort of cap. Looks really, really, really good. Okay, let's go from there. Oh, you know, kind of pretty simple bottle, you know, it's weighty, you know. One's, you know, 100 ml. For a niche fragrance, I'll be honest, this is actually pretty good. It's like, in terms of like the price, you know, the price is not really high. You see some designer fragrances, you know, sort of like in the middle, like just say for example, Yves Saint Laurent, Libre Intense. I mean, like a 90 ml of that cost over $260. This one actually sent me back $209 for 100 ml of eau de parfum. So, you know what? Once again, for a niche fragrance, top notch, top notch. Okay, we'll go from there, and you know, we'll go with the notes. So I'm getting notes of salt at the top. At the heart, we're getting vanilla absolute, orchid, and at the base we've got tonka bean, sandalwood, musk, and benzoin. I looked at the notes when I was in the store. I thought, you know, if this is going to be a blind buy, at least have maybe some sort of idea of what I might be getting into. So I thought, yep, cool. Looked at the notes. It looks solid. At least, okay, I haven't obviously sprayed before, as you can tell. So let's sort of just have an idea, at least from what I can see over here, what it might be like, a, you know, bit of a guessing game. So looking at it, salt, you know, you're obviously going to get probably like this, you know, how should I say, almost like a sunburnt skin type sort of scent, you know, like you've just been at the beach or something like that. And you got the vanilla absolute, the orchid, so tonka bean, sandalwood, don't mind me, I'm just sort of reading off my book because I can't remember all these things. Anyway, tonka bean, sandalwood, musk, benzoin. So I'm guessing this is probably going to be a very, obviously, vanillic, soft, powdery, floral, maybe almost like bordering gourmand type sort of scent, but I'm guessing it's probably going to have maybe a bit of like a sunscreen type of feel, so it might be a bit of a summer, spring. Hell, I mean, looking at those notes, there's a possibility this could probably like work all year round. So anyway, let's have a spray and see how this goes. Well, actually, we'll test the sprayer first. See how good. What the hell is this thing? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's sort of, yeah. Come on. It's not bad. It's a decent sprayer. Yeah. Okay. Well. Ooh. Okay. Right on the skin. See what we get out of this thing. Oh, I think I was right there actually. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Yes. Yes, I'm definitely getting that salt there. It's very soft. It's like mixing in with that benzoin and the musk. It's and the vanilla, absolutely. The orchid is, you can smell it right in the middle there. It's very soft, very soft. This one is like, yep. Wow. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm almost getting like a sort of like almost like a coconutty vibe from it. Airy. Oh, it's like you've just put it on some sunscreen and then later on the sort of nice soft fragrance as well. You're going out in the sun, but you still want to sort of impress the ladies or the men, because I'll be honest, like smelling this, I can see this working for, both genders. And that's actually quite awesome. And considering this is a unisex fragrance, of course, I don't see it leaning both ways, I mean, sorry, I don't see it leaning one way or the other, but I'm really impressed. Oh, it's like, okay, definitely, this would be really good light, light sort of fragrance in the summer. It's not something that's gonna, it's not gonna offend anyone. I think it's light enough. It's not like bright or anything like that. But that orchid in the middle is, ooh, I think that sandalwood and the musk really soften up like everything. They sort of give an airiness to it that's just really ethereal. Oh, holy crap! Damn. Yeah, it's great blind buy. I've never smelled anything like this. Very unique, at least from the outset. Well, so I'm going to leave you with this. I can say I'm very impressed so far. Oh, I can't get enough of this. Yeah, I'm going to very soon give a full review of this, and for the moment, I'm just going to leave you with this. Definitely a good time to wear it. This might be able to actually work all year. Just really sort of, just got to see how it develops anyway. But that top note of salt is just so mwah. Damn. Alright guys, anyway, we'll have that review soon. This has been Juliette Has a Gun, Vanilla Vibes. I hope you take care of yourselves. Hope you have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you can get more of these videos to your feed. See you in the next video.